My dog loves peanut butter like most dogs, but they have a lot of calories. But at Aldi, you can actually buy these peanut puffs, and she goes crazy and nuts. She loves these peanut puffs. They look like this. And now, Phryne. Phryne, come! And now let's see what happens. Phryne, come! Yeah, Phryne, come! Sweetie, come! It's snack time. Yeah, come up. Yeah, I know. You love them, right? You love them? One for you, one for me. Yeah, so these are pretty good snacks, and we never had any problems giving her these puffs. And they look like this. I know you want them. And they're just made out of peanut butter, and she goes crazy for them.